Welcome to Argentina, a land of tango, steak, and soccer. But did you know it's also home to some of the most stunning landscapes in the world? From towering mountains to vast plains, Argentina's natural beauty is truly remarkable. Join me, your travel companion Rick Steves, on a visual journey through Argentina's most breathtaking landscapes. We'll explore the country's diverse regions, each with its own unique charm. Get ready to be amazed by the power of nature and the beauty of this South American gem. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and let's embark on an unforgettable adventure through the stunning landscapes of Argentina. Our first stop takes us to the border of Brazil and Argentina, where we find the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls. Imagine standing before a curtain of water so massive it takes your breath away. The Iguazu Falls are a complex of 275 waterfalls, stretching for almost 2 miles. The roar of the water is deafening as it plunges down into the rainforest below. You can feel the spray on your face, a refreshing mist in the humid air. Take a boat tour to get up close and personal with the falls, or hike through the rainforest for breathtaking views from different angles. The Iguazu Falls are a true spectacle of nature, a must-see for any visitor to South America. Next we venture south to Patagonia, a land of glaciers, mountains, and turquoise lakes. Here you'll find some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth. Imagine a world of ice and rock, shaped by time and the forces of nature. The Perito Moreno Glacier is one of Patagonia's most famous sights. It's a massive wall of ice that calves into the lake below with a thunderous roar. Witnessing this natural phenomenon is an unforgettable experience. Explore the region's many hiking trails, kayak among icebergs, and marvel at the rugged beauty of this untouched wilderness. Patagonia is a place where you can truly feel the power of nature and the insignificance of man. From the icy landscapes of Patagonia, we travel north to the Argentine Lake District. Here you'll find a different kind of beauty, one of tranquility and serenity. Imagine crystal-clear lakes reflecting snow-capped mountains, surrounded by lush forests and charming villages. Lake Nahuel Huapi is the largest lake in the region and a popular destination for boating, fishing, and kayaking. Take a scenic drive along the Seven Lakes route, stopping to admire the views and take photos. The Lake District is a paradise for nature lovers, offering opportunities for hiking, horseback riding, and simply relaxing in the peace and quiet of the mountains. No exploration of Argentina's landscapes would be complete without a visit to the Andes Mountains. Forming the country's western backbone, the Andes are a sight to behold. Imagine towering peaks, snow-capped year-round, piercing the sky. Aconcagua, the highest peak in South America, stands tall at a staggering 22,838 feet. While climbing it is for experienced mountaineers, the sight of it against the clear blue sky is awe-inspiring for all. The Andes offer countless opportunities for adventure, from challenging treks to scenic drives. Experience the thrill of high-altitude adventures amidst breathtaking scenery. Leaving the towering Andes behind, we journey eastward to the Pampas, Argentina's vast grasslands. Imagine a seemingly endless sea of green, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the heartland of Argentina's gaucho culture. The Pampas are home to countless cattle ranches where gauchos, skilled horsemen, still roam the plains. Experience the life of a gaucho, try your hand at horseback riding, and enjoy a traditional asado, an Argentinian barbecue. The Pampas offer a unique glimpse into Argentina's soul, a place where tradition and nature intertwine. Prepare to be amazed as we travel north to the provinces of Salta and Jujuy. Here you'll encounter landscapes unlike anything you've ever seen before. Imagine colorful rock formations, salt flats that stretch to the horizon, and deep canyons carved by ancient rivers. The Quebrada de Humahuaca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a valley renowned for its vibrant rock formations and indigenous culture. Visit the Hill of Seven Colors, a geological wonder with layers of different colored sediments. Salta and Jujuy offer a feast for the eyes and a journey back in time, where the Earth's history is written in the very rocks. Section 8. The Wildlife of Argentina, a treasure to behold. Argentina's diverse landscapes are home to an equally diverse array of wildlife. From the penguins of Patagonia to the jaguars of the rainforest, Argentina is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. Head to Peninsula Valdez to witness the incredible spectacle of southern right whales breeding just off the coast. Visit the wetlands of the Iberra marshes, home to caimans, capybaras, and over 300 species of birds. Argentina offers a unique opportunity to observe animals in their natural habitat, a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Section 9. The culture of Argentina, passionate and vibrant. Of course, no trip to Argentina would be complete without experiencing its vibrant culture. From the tango halls of Buenos Aires to the small villages of the Andes, Argentina is a country with a rich cultural heritage. Indulge in the delicious cuisine from succulent steaks to empanadas and mate, a traditional herbal drink. Experience the passion of a tango show and learn a few steps yourself. The warmth and hospitality of the Argentinian people will make you feel welcome wherever you go. Section 10. Argentina, a destination for everyone. From its breathtaking landscapes to its vibrant culture, Argentina has something to offer every traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, you'll find it in this South American gem. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Argentinian adventure today. Argentina awaits, ready to captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Section 11. What other scenic wonders should we explore? That was our quick tour of Argentina. What a country, eh? Now I want to hear from you. What other corners of the world should we explore together? Let me know in the comments below which breathtaking landscapes you'd like to see featured next. Your input helps shape our journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels, everyone!